Hello, hope I don't mispronounce this, but is it Shreya? Anyway, this will be some video feedback for you on the milestone 1. And if you have any difficulties from now until the end of the term, don't hesitate to reach out. You know, it's a tough time for all of us. Shreya, I'm trying to open your Illustrator file, and this is the one that you put in the discussion board. And I'm finding that I'm being prompted to find some linked images. So this points out the important difference between embedding your images or linking to them. And so I wanted to show you what I mean by that. So I'm just going to click through Ignore, and you know, without the images, there's not much, right? I do, however, have your type. Now, were you able to get the logo in there? And I see that there's a masked image in Acrobat. The Illustrator file I can open up in Acrobat. So let me do that next, and we'll see what the images look like. Shreya, I'm glad I took the time to backward convert it from Illustrator to PDF file, because now I can see the image. And you know what I like most about it is the vibration of this color. This crimson against this lavender. It's really beautiful. But nonetheless, I think you need to put the real logo on there, and I can show you how to do that in your Illustrator file. So let's go back to that. Two things. You want to be able to embed images. I'll just do that quickly. That's under File, Place, and then I just have some arbitrary images here somewhere. Large, and make sure that link is not clicked or is not checked. Okay, by default it is, and this may be the problem, but make sure that it looks like this. You know, it's hidden in the Adobe interface. It's really a bad UI thing, I think. So, and then I'm just going to place it. It's a huge image, so I'm not going to, you know, worry too much about it. Notice that a linked image has an X through it. An embedded image does not. So I'm just going to get rid of that because it's big. Now, as for placing the logo, here's how you have to do that. First of all, you have to open up the, oops, that's Greg's. Here we go. First, you have to open up the style guide. So I'm going to look for the Amethyst Bay style guide. Here it is. I've got several copies of it. Then I'm going to use one of the select tools just to copy what I want. Command C, copy it to the clipboard, go back to your page, create a logo for it. I guess that's what you we're aiming towards. I'll put it on this layer. Oh, okay, so this tells me something. Okay, your page size I think is incorrect. Let me let's try this again. I'm going to create a new page. I think that may be part of the problem. It's hard to know, but I'm going to make sure it's 8.5 by 11, portrait landscape or format. Create. Now, I'm wondering if I can, what happens when I copy something from, you can't see this, well, maybe I can move it over here. What I'm going to try to do, just to make sure that you have the correct page size, is drag and drop the logo onto here and see what happens. Yeah, see, you have a probably, I don't know, maybe it's 8.5 by 11 pixels page size. And let me see if I can drag other things in here. Here's one of your images. See if I can copy it and paste it. Oh yes, see. See how small those are? Yeah, it's your page size on what you submitted here, at least, it's way too small. I hope I'm not missing something here. But I'm going to end the advice here, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.